Hey guys, so before I'm going to let you off the hook, I just want to let you know that the video you're about to watch is part of a training course. To be precise, is one of the first videos in the first module. There are three ways you can make money selling on Amazon: arbitrage, wholesale, and private label. And although many people online claim huge differences between these different methods, they essentially really do not differ that much from each other. Within arbitrage, you have two subsets. You have online arbitrage, which is what this course is about, and retail arbitrage. With online arbitrage, you find and sell products online. With retail arbitrage, you step into your car and go to, say, a Walmart, a Target, or Home Depot, and you use the scanner app to check up on products. It can be very profitable if you know where to look, but it will take a lot of your time. But either way, you sell an existing product from an existing brand on an already existing listing. Wholesale is pretty much the same as arbitrage, with the only but very clear distinction that you order products in very large quantities. Private label, for the most part, is selling an existing product, but you have to create the brand and the listing. Now, if this video has piqued your interest and you would like to know more about our training course, then the only thing you need to do is sign up for our newsletter. I've put a link to this in the description down below.